Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable JavaScript inside Google Chrome. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. And then from here, you want to click on the three dots, top right hand corner of your screen. And then you want to click into settings. So go ahead and do that. And then you want to click onto privacy and security, and then from here you want to click onto site settings right at the bottom of this page, and then scroll down, and where it says JavaScript, click into that, and then where it says default behavior, sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. So if yours is turned off, simply click on sites can use JavaScript like so, and then exit out, and that's it. And that's how to enable JavaScript on your Google Chrome. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.